Here's a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Confidence, elegance, luxury. It owns these terms every bit as much as the Jeep name owns the term utility. It also owns the title of the most awarded SUV. Embrace inspiring standards for both performance and attention to detail. With the integrated voice command with Bluetooth and the Uconnect system, along with a touchscreen display, keyless enter and go, and dual zone climate control as standard features, it's easy to see that for every summit in its class, there's a Jeep at the top.
Your passengers will be wrapped in comfort with heated rear seats. Say goodbye to dinged bumpers with the parking sensors. Select the perfect temperature with climate control.
Come in for a test drive and you'll soon realize what this Jeep Grand Cherokee is made of.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.